Hi everyone, it's Kyle. I am back, and I am about to collapse the wave function of the contents inside my box. aka I'm just going to unbox this thing. So let's see what I got. Got my trusty knife here, and we're going to carefully cut away at this. Okay. Opens up very nicely. Oh, lots of styrofoam. Lots of little pellet thingies that are now spilling onto my floor. Whoa, and I almost dropped it. But I saved it. Thanks, gravity. And what do you know what we have here? We have this ginormous book. I'm gonna put this box down here. We have, it says Modern Classical Physics. And I'm going to do this unwrapping a bit so I can see it a bit more clearly. Whew. Okay, so finally unveiled all of the wrapping, and we have Modern Classical Physics by Kip Thorne. Now, for those of you who don't know, Kip Thorne, and also Roger D. Bamford, but Kip Thorne is the Nobel Prize winner of 2017 for physics, or he's one of the 3 Nobel Prize winners in physics for 2017, and he got his Nobel Prize for the discovery of gravitational waves. And he was a professor at Caltech. Now he's retired. He does other things like write the movie of Interstellar, or help write the movie of Interstellar. But this is just a huge comprehensive textbook on so many different topics in modern classical physics. As you see here, you have optics, fluids, plasmas, elasticity, relativity, and statistical physics. And what this book is essentially what Kip Thorne believes that all aspiring physicists should know, but often aren't really taught in their graduate programs. So I've been meaning to brush up on my physics lately, and I have not had a course in some of these subjects. Like, I didn't have a dedicated optics course, I didn't have a dedicated plasmas course. I saw a little bit of fluids and elasticity this year, relativity. I've seen the special theory of relativity, not the general theory yet, and I have seen some statistical physics, but I'm just really excited to augment my physics ability, and I will update you in the future with a possible review of this book once I've actually gone through it. So I hope you're as excited as I am to delve into this book, and until later, I'm out.